It was very helpful. Two big things. It's not a normal week-long training that you normally see, or 2-week-long training that you normally see for um, any programming language. It was a longer training. It gave you time to exercise what you have learned, and then your feedback, your effort to provide the feedback is very valuable. Like when you listen to every question, give me an answer, things that I have had questions about forever but never really got an answer, all of those were very valuable. So even though it was a long training, I think it's totally worth it for anybody who's starting out or has done a little bit of ABAP to go in and learn so much. I think the exercises are key, also, to just finding time to do it, and doing it on time is a little bit hard, but it's very valuable. I'm going to recommend this, and I have, to my colleagues, and we have some offshore ABAP team also. My boss is going to recommend this to them too. So it's the best I've seen ever. And I've taken um, training for .NET. I've taken it for some other things too. LifeRay, which is this is by far the best I've seen. Totally worth it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This is great. And like somebody, this is like everybody should do this. Any training program should have this. Help library programs are like the key. You spend so much time looking for stuff online. Like it's just this is very handy. Everything that you have asked us to do, very, very handy. I just go back and copy paste, and like it saves me so much time. It's unbelievable. Really good program. Can't say enough about it. It's really good.
Okay, so it's always good to hear praises and so on. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, for sure. My team has like 20, 25 years of or 30 years of experienced ABAPers, but they learned ABAP on the job. They never got a formal training. I think they have, but it wasn't quite like this. But that was a long time ago. So every time I like come and ask them things, uh, I mean, they are helpful, but there are things that they know, that they understand, that I don't understand. So their explanations have been, it doesn't help me, because I want to know why, the root cause of it. But your program has really helped that. So yes, for a newbie like me, or even if somebody has done a little bit of ABAP, this is the way to go. So definitely recommending it to anybody who will listen.
Thank you very much.